Hello everyone! In this clip, we'll present the King Cream Whipper. King is a new generation cream whipper that simplifies the operator's work thanks to the washing through system. With washing through system, we define a type of washing where the sanitizing detergent passes through and allows us to wash without having to disassemble the machine. However, a plus of the Frigomat King Cream Whipper is that it can be disassembled in any part in contact with the food without the use of tools for an even more meticulous approach. Now I'll show you how the whipping machine works. We'll pour fresh cream into the cream whipper. Then, the machine has a regulator through which we can manage the overrun according to the type and characteristics of the food processed, whether it is a semifreddo or normal whipping cream. Now, the user may need a half-whipped product to be integrated with other very typical confectionery processed, or rather may need a more sustained product, such as the traditional garnish of a gelato cup, to be served rather than a splendid hot chocolate. Since the usability of the whipping cream is not only for gelato shops or pastry shops, or it could be the garnish for a pastry cake. Now, in order to manage this overrun, the machine has, as I was saying, a regulator here in the upper part of the pump. There is a graduated scale. If we keep it on the low numbers, the machine allows us to dispense a half-whipped product that can be used in confectionery. Alternatively, we can increase our regulation to improve the overrun to have a tenacious product. More sustained to garnish a cup. Now, cream is a food product that contains fat. Therefore, the fat content is a potential point where we can have a proliferation of bacteria and even molds. Therefore, it's very important to sanitize the cream whipper and get a correct cleaning. Therefore, in full compliance with the regulations in force in the country of installation, because they are not the same, we can opt to wash it through. When we want to do the washing through, we shall turn off the cream whipper and then extract the product, which is obviously still food and still good. And we're going to put it in the refrigerator. Then, using the same exact container, because that needs to be sanitized too, we'll reinsert the suction pipe and put lukewarm water in. We'll pour about 2 liters of lukewarm water and then proceed to dispense it, keeping the start button pressed until the 2 liters of water are completely used up. If we close the air regulator, we accelerate this process of emptying the tray. Once the water has been used up, we'll pour in a solution of lukewarm water and a sanitizer. In our cream whipper for sanitizer proposed by Frigomat, the dilution percentage is of 2%. Once the sanitizer has been poured in, let's proceed, as we did before, to the dispensing of this water and sanitizer solution. Once approximately half of the water loaded has been dispensed, we will leave the sanitizing product in the machine for at least a couple of minutes to allow the sanitizer to act so that it completely dissolves any food residue. After these 2 minutes, we can continue to dispense until the content of the product is used up, so that we can then proceed to dry the pieces with disposable paper. This is the sanitizing procedure of the washing through system machine. I remind you, however, that the machine can be disassembled in every part in contact with the food without the aid of tools if you need more meticulous approaches.